Welcome back to our Dynamic Builder series. This time, we'll learn how to make a button interact with the scene elements. Using the node triggered event, we'll hide and show some elements after clicking the button. First, drag the Show Hide response and attach the welcome screen to hide it. Next, we'll show the timer screen, which will present our information after a set time. For added interaction, use the Enable Controller Vibration response. You can change the user setting so that when a specific user clicks the button, their controller will vibrate. Since we'll be using a timer, we need the loop response. Change the number of loops to 2. The interval represents the seconds that will pass after each loop. Now, add a timer variable. Click on the variable writer to add a new variable, which we'll call timer. Go back to the Dynamic Training Builder and drag the set number variable response. Set the variable to timer and make its value equal to the current loop. Next, we want our user to teleport, but first, we need to prepare them for the teleportation with a delay. Use the delay response. Set the duration to 1 second, and then use the teleport to camera response. If there's no VR camera in the scene, create one and place it wherever you like. Test your progress to ensure everything is working correctly.